Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Beneath me is the FHS partial tilt flat deck trailer with 10K duals. With a GVWR of 25,000 pounds, a 20,000 pound hoist, it's a great trailer for hauling equipment or other heavy machinery. It comes in either pintle hitch or gooseneck, with length options of 24 up to 40 feet and axle options of either 10K, 12K or even 16K duals. It has a 38-inch deck height and a 102-inch deck width. Follow me as I go through all the features it has to offer. The trailer I'll be reviewing today is a gooseneck, 28 foot long with two 10K duals. Starting at the front, it has two spring-loaded drop leg jacks rated at 12,000 pounds each, upgradable to the hydraulic jacks if you don't like cranking. At the front, it has a 2.5/16 gooseneck adjustable coupler rated at 30,000 pounds, 3 8-grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. In between the tongue, you will find the mega lockable toolbox, which gives you a lot of space for storing tools, straps, chains, or whatever you need on the job, because really there's a lot of space. Up here you will find the spare tire mount with the optional spare tire. The tongue on this FHS is our new neck boss design. It's engineered from a 12-inch steel I-beam, making it not only durable but also nice looking. Behind the tongue you will find the winch plate, which is standard, but the winch is optional. It has a main frame made of a bridged 12-inch I-beam. The tilt deck is made of a 2x6-inch 7-gauge tubing with 3-inch channel cross members spaced 16 inches apart and pine lumber flooring for the deck. The deck height is at 38 inches and you're easily accessible by these retractable steps. For securing cargo, it has rub rail with ID stake pockets. Beneath the deck, it has this toolbox, which houses two batteries, the battery charger, and the hydraulic pump. Plus, this 14-foot cable with remote comes standard. For tilting the deck, it has a 20,000 pound hoist with a 6x21-inch cylinder, great for heavy equipment. For the running gear, it has two 10K Lippert electric brake dual oil bath spring axles with 10-ply duals on 16-inch black mod wheels. At the rear of the tilt deck, it has a knife edge, great for loading low-profile equipment. For the lighting, it has these nice big DOT-compliant LED lights and marker lights here at the rear and along the side for extra visibility. And like with all of our trailers, this FHS goes through our 6-step painting process, which includes steel grip blasting and a powder coat, ensuring the paint will be durable. And with 13 color options to choose from, you can really customize this to your liking. And remember, all our trailers have a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus are NATM certified, giving you peace of mind that if you buy our trailers, they'll be top quality. If you're interested in this trailer or any of our other trailers, we have a large network of dealers across USA and Canada. To find a dealer near you, check our website at horizontrailers.com/find a dealer. I'll catch you in the next video.